Hey guys, today we are going to see how to install Python 3.7 on Windows 10 operating system. Launch your favorite browser. I have launched Chrome and navigate to the URL python.org and hit enter. Now you are on official Python's website and you can look for download, and here you can see download for Windows option. Click on Python 3.7.4, which is the latest version of Python, and the download has begun. Okay, the software has downloaded successfully. Now click on this executable. It will open the Python setup wizard. You can see here the default option which is recommended is install now button, and you can also customize the installation as per your need. Ensure that you check this add Python 3.7 to path so that you can access Python from anywhere in your operating system. So let me check this checkbox and click on install now. Now you can see the software is being installed on your operating system. The setup is in progress. It will take a while, at least 3 to 5 minutes, for this Python to be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. Alright, the setup was successful. So now I am clicking on close and opening up a command prompt. Here you can see I have opened the run command by hitting the keys Windows and R at a time. The run command prompt has opened up. Now I will type cmd here and hit on enter. It should open up a command prompt for me. So I have opened the command prompt here and I want to ensure my installation has been successfully done or not. So here, to ensure your Python installation is successful or not, just type python _version version in all lowercase letters and hit enter. It should show you the Python's version that is installed on your machine. So for me, as you have seen, I have installed Python version 3.7. It has returned the same value. So let me access the Python's REPL by typing Python. So here is the advantage of checking up the box to add to the environmental variables while installing the Python. So I have entered into the Python's REPL. So let me type print hello TutLinks and hit enter. Yes, it works. So congratulations, you have successfully installed Python on Windows operating system. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and let them know that you are learning Python on tutlinks.com. Thank you.